Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have very interesting equation a to the power x is equals to 42. Then what would be the value of x? So without further ado, let's get into the solution. So basically here we have on the left hand side 8 to the power x and on the right hand side 42. Let us apply the log on both the sides. Log 8 to the power x is equals to log 42. Now we have a formula log m to the power n is equals to n log m. Let us apply this formula into our left hand side, which will turn as x log 8 is equals to log 42. Now let us divide with the log 8 on both the sides of the equation so that we can cross this log 8 of the left hand side, so that on the left hand side only x remains. So x is equals to log 42 divided by log 8. Now this 42 can be written as 2 into 21. Let's replace this value of 42 in our equation into 2 into 21. So the equation would be x is equals to log 2 into 21 whole bracket divided by log 8. Now we are going to use another formula, which is log a into b is equals to log a plus log b. Let's utilize this formula into our right hand side. So the equation would be x is equals to log 2 plus log 21 whole divided by log 8. Now this log 8 can be separated for each part of the numerator. So x is equals to log 2 divided by log 8 plus log 21 divided by log 8. This 21 can be again written as 3 into 7. So let's separate that. Log 3 into 7 divided by log 8. Once again, we are going to use the same formula of the log a into b, which will be log a plus log b here as well. So on the right hand side, keeping it as it is, the first term. Now log 3 divided by log 8 plus log 7 divided by log 8. Now we know that this 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, which is nothing but 2 to the power 3. So let us use this 2 to the power 3 on all the sides of denominator on the right hand side. X is equals to log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3 plus log 3 divided by log 2 raised to 3 plus log 7 divided by log 2 raised to 3. Now we know a formula log a to the power b will be b log a. Let's utilize this on the denominator side and bring the 3 in the front of the log 2. Log 2 divided by 3 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2 plus log 7 divided by 3 log 2. Now we see log 2 has been cancelled out here. X will be 1 by 3 plus log 1 by 3, we are going to keep it separate, into log 3 divided by log 2 plus log 7 divided by log 2 into 1 by 3 we are taking common this side. Now we know a formula, log A divided by log B, it would be log A with the base B. Let's utilize this formula and keep it in our equation on the right hand side. So x would be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into log 3 with the base 2 plus 1 by 3 dot log 7 with base 2. Now 1 by 3 is common. So what we can do is, let us take the numerator part all together, whole divided by 3. So this is our value of x. Now we are going to do the verification of this value of x by keeping in our equation. So this is our equation. Now what we have to do is, we want to prove whether the left hand side is equals to right hand side or not. Let us start with the left hand side only, which is 8 to the power x. Let's do one thing. We will replace the value of x what we have find out into our equation. So the left hand side would be 8 to the power 1 plus log 3 with base 2 plus log 7 with base 2 whole divided by 3. Now this 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 and the same value of x. This 3 gets cancelled out. So the final value would come as 2 to the power 1 plus log 3 with base 2 plus log 7 with base 2. Now we have a formula, a to the power m plus n is equals to a to the power m into a to the power n, separating the bases. Now here we have the 3 terms. Let's utilize the formula on the right hand side. 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power log 3 with base 2 into 2 to the power log 7 with base 2. Once again we have a formula which is a to the power log b with base a, then the value would come as b. So let's utilize this for the second and third term of this equation. So the value would be, let me move the sheet a bit. Now the value would be 2 to the power 1 is 2 into, now this second term just looks like our formula, that's why the result is 3 into, for the third term it would be 7. So basically 2 into 3 into 7, which is 6 into 7, and that's why it is 42. 6 sevens are 42, and that comes to the right hand side. We started with our left hand side and came to the right hand side value. Hence left hand side LHS is equals to right hand side RHS. That's why the value that we have found out of the x just accurate. Thanks for watching. Follow for more. Subscribe to stay tuned.